are in the midst of a prayer you asked for in this moment. To be in the league playing important football. Y'all pray for this moment. That's it. You never, ever, ever lose faith in God, because he's the one that put you right here, man. You guys are the best. Believe it. Do what you got to do. But always, 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 toughness honors this game, man. This game honors toughness. Go out there and be in a tough recruit, no matter what. Light the fire inside you, bro. Find it, because we're going to need it today.
The 7-2 Seahawks, the 7-2 Los Angeles Rams, control of the NFC West is at stake.
Ram pound, baby! Ram pound! Let's go!
You get these rare moments in football, in sports, in life, period, where you get to find out exactly who you are.
What it's all about. This is only one moment we got, dog. Have fun in it.
You're going to be tested today. We're going to find out exactly what this team is.
Go dark, man. Whatever you got to do to find that dark spot, man. We going to punch first, we going to punch last, we going to punch off the left side.
You're about to meet a worthy opponent. You want to go play those games. You want to be out there.
Go!
Be the best version of yourself. Ain't nothing they can do about it.
Hey, man, let's do what you do today. It's just another game. You know what I'm saying?
Two rival franchises have been on a collision course for a month, if not more. Control of the West is at stake. Seattle and Los Angeles, part one. Here we go. The Rams have scored a touchdown on their opening drive in 3 straight games. Matthews under center. He hands off. First run for Kyren Williams. Darts to his right. Into space. Steps through a tackle at the 30. A stiff arm, the 20, and out of bounds. An emphatic first carry for Kyren Williams. Short of the line to gain. It'll be 4th down and inches. Sean McVay's challenge fails, and leaving the Rams in 4th and inches on the opening possession of the game. From the 8-yard line inside it of Seattle. Can Matthew get forward progress away from center? Ball fake, bootleg, flip. It is low, it's incomplete at the feet of Tyler Higbee. The Rams fail on their challenge. They fail on 4th and inches. They give it to the Seahawks, and Matthew says, my bad. Here's former USC Trojan, 28-year-old Sam Darnold back in SoFi Stadium. Play action, set up to pass. The pocket gets pushed into his lap. He throws from his heels. It's intercepted at the 35. Going the other way down the right sideline. Cameron Kitchens shouldered out by Darnold. Cam Kitchens doesn't always get picks, but when he does, he prefers the Seahawks. Sam Darnold gives one up on the first drive of the game.
Great job, baby. Great job.
Hey, I told y'all, my nephew back again in Seattle with another pick. Come on, man.
The offense staying put. The Rams will go for 4th down in the red zone again. It's 4th down and goal from just inside the 2. It's a gun run. Right side and in. Kyren Williams punches it in. Touchdown LA on 4th and goal. And Sean McVay does not flinch. Run stuff after run stuff. He would not be deterred from the shotgun. They hand it off, and Kyren puts it in the paint.
Great job. Great job.
Midnight mode uniforms for the Rams here in broad daylight. Middle of the afternoon in week 11 at SoFi Stadium. They've got a 7-3 lead. Stafford so far only 2 of 5 passing, however. Play fake, ready to deal. Sidearm throw. Right side Higbee gets a key block 20. Higbee's rolling 30. Big rig Higgs out of bounds at the LA 40 with a first down. One tight end takes a penalty for holding. The other gets the Rams out of a jam. Play clock at 5. Needs 3 on 3rd down. 4-man rush. Stafford has time to deal. Right side. caught. Puka breaks a tackle 50, sheds a Seahawk, whirling inside the 45 of Seattle to the 44-yard line.
I tell you what, it's the run after the catch. You can throw a 4-yard route and Puka's going to take it 12.
Rams need a yard. A run play for a yard and more. Kyron slicing back against the grain, middle of the field. 10, 5, down at the 1. Play fake, here's the throw. Oh, they missed him. Matthew threw it at his knees.
I want to catch it on you. That's what I'm talking about.
The 1,000th reception of a Hall of Fame career gives the Rams a 2-score lead over the Seahawks. It's his 7th career season with double-digit receiving touchdowns, top 5 in NFL history.
Hey, how perfect that is that? You're the 17th player. That's great. That's wild as hell. Congrats, dog.
Week 11 in the National Football League. Control of the NFC West is at stake. The Seahawks 7-2. The Rams 7-2. Both have their sights set on the top spot in the NFC. Rams on defense with a 5-point lead. Opening moments, third quarter. Darnold with a silent count, shotgun snap. Back to pass, hit as he throws, right side, intercepted! The land shark takes it away! Cobie Durant with the second LA pick off Sam Darnold to begin the third quarter. And just like January in the wild card round, Cobie Durant takes it away from Darnold. After an interception of Seattle, the Rams take over at the Seattle 35 and fumble it right back to the Seahawks. It's 14-9 in this battle for first place. Darnold takes a shotgun snap from empty against a 4-man rush. He heaves right side. It is batted away at the goal line. Emmanuel Forbes using every inch of his 6-foot frame to deny a touchdown to Rashid Shaheed, who had more than one step. What a recovery to wipe away points by Forbes. So with 8:10 and rolling on the third quarter clock, it's a 29-yard field goal attempt on 4th and 6 for Jason Myers. He boots it with the right foot, right down the middle. And Seattle continues to score by 3.
Put on the gas. 15 rounds. 15 rounds.
Rams' first 3 possessions were productive. 2 of them scored touchdowns. Since, a punt, a fumble, and a punt. Seattle still trailing on the scoreboard, but it feels like they've seized control of this game and the momentum. Seattle football down 2. Darnold steps under center. Has the snap, 4-man rush, hits his back foot, throws middle, it's intercepted again! Taken away by Kinchins, slicing through Seahawks 30, 25, and for the second time against Seattle, Cameron Kinchins double dips! You can't be serious!
Seahawk killer.
Come on, man.
He had 100 Seahawks.
After the second Cam Kinchins interception of the day, they've got 3rd down and 1 at the Seahawks 16-yard line. Stafford stretches left, the handoff to Kyron Williams. He's got the first down. He's inside the 10, carrying Seahawks down to the 5-yard line and 1st and goal. 3 receivers in the formation. Matthew Stafford has a snap, fakes, boots, throws to the right flat, caught by Parkinson at the 5, makes a Seahawk miss against his former team. Cobie Parkinson puts it in the paint. Touchdown Matthew Stafford, touchdown Cobie Parkinson, touchdown LA. in the opening seconds of the fourth quarter to make it a 2-possession lead. Shotgun snap here, handoff Kenneth Walker over the right side and into the end zone. With 2:23 left in regulation, Seattle's first touchdown makes it a 1-possession game.
Close it with us on the field. Close it with us on the field.
Not been the most productive day for the Rams offense, but they still have a chance to end Week 11 in victory formation. Jet sweep, Puka cuts it up. He's got the 35. He's got the 40 and a first down. Backpedaling all the way up to midfield. First down, Puka Nacua on the Jets. Could be one more first down away from victory. Stafford is back to pass. Sets the laces, looking for a target. Incomplete. His throw goes middle to Devontae Adams. And it's a free timeout for the Seahawks, who get to keep one in their pocket. They're going to get it back with one timeout.
It's on us. It's on us.
Hey, this is what we want. Hey, this is what we want, baby.
Rams cannot clinch it on offense. The Seahawks looking to come after this punt. Ethan Evans awaiting the long snap. Does get the punt away. Rams need a good one here. Shaheed drifting to his right, and it's going to land at the 2 and check up out of bounds. Oh, what a dot from Ethan Evans.
That ball bounced out of bounds at the inch-yard line. My goodness, what a play there.
The punt of the season. SoFi Stadium is rocking, trying to take the Rams to first place. He's standing on the N in Angeles in the end zone, trying to get his team into game-winning field goal range. Darnold to the air from his end zone, throws right. It's caught at the 4 and taken out of bounds. Reload throw, right side, and Jigba has it. Clock winding, throw, deep left, outbreaker, caught in Jigba, out of bounds. Gain of 12.
You have 2 plays here, JB.
Darnold wings one left side, tipped up in the air, out of bounds, incomplete, but there's a flag. 5 seconds to go.
This is it.
Alone in the shotgun, Sam Darnold has the snap, looking to throw quickly, has to hitch, has to throw. It's caught, it's complete. There's 1 second left, and they grant the timeout. They gave the timeout with 1 second left, and the Seahawks will have a chance to beat the buzzer. From 61 yards to win it. Boot on the way. It's fading right. It's bleeding right. It's no good.
Let's go, baby.
And the Rams are in first place in the NFC West. The Rams extend their winning streak. They're 8-2, and they're home to the Bucs, in control of their championship destiny next week.
Never take for granted finding a way. Just being able to be so resilient defensively. What a blessing offensively for us to be able to learn from this and continue to grow. But man, this group finding different ways to be able to win. Can't say enough about it. Cam Kitchens, get one big guy.
Hey, yo, family on me, family on me. 1, 2, 3, family.
If you like that video, click here or here for more.